Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying where you already are. List products and the markets they sell into, and capture recent sales and customer segments. Once done, plot that point on the Ansoff Matrix so you can see whether you sit in market penetration, product development, market development, or diversification. Make sure to note revenue share and growth rates. This informs which quadrant offers the fastest realistic gains. Now pick the quadrant that matches your strategic appetite and prepare one concrete objective for the next quarter. Next, translate your quadrant choice into executable initiatives. For each idea, define success metrics, required budget, and a timeline. Once you have those, prioritize by risk and expected return. Higher-risk diversification needs smaller, earlier tests. Then design short pilots or /B tests so you can validate assumptions quickly and cheaply. While running tests, collect customer feedback and conversion data and compare outcomes to your metrics. If results hit thresholds, scale. If not, iterate or pivot to lower-risk options. Now move from pilot to scale. Launch the chosen initiatives with clear 30/60/90-day checkpoints and assigned owners. Once live, monitor leading indicators, engagement, trial rate, churn, so you can react before revenue lags. Make data-driven tweaks weekly, reallocate resources from low performers to experiments that exceed targets. If things go wrong, isolate variables to identify the root cause, then revert or adjust that specific change instead of abandoning the whole strategy. Finally, document lessons so your next Ansoff cycle runs faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.